Today we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 7.2. Okay, in this question, the diagram is given that you have to show that triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. As you can see in this question, we have to tell PM is equal to QM. As you can see this symbol here, these two lines and these two lines you can see here also. So these symbol resembles that. This symbol resembles that. You can see this symbol, this one and this one. This resembles that both are same. Okay, both are same. You have to see the symbols accordingly. You have to, as you can see, this side is equal to this side. It's already given. So angle MPMA is equal to angle QMA. It's already given in the figure. Okay. And next is AM is equal to AM. That means we are talking about this side, AM side. This AM side is common in both the triangles. So you can write common side. AM is a common side here. Okay. Next is triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. See, first of all, this side was equal in both the triangles. Secondly, this angle was equal in both the triangles. Third, this side was common in both the triangles. So using side, angle, side congruence criteria, your triangle AMP is congruent with triangle AMQ. Okay, triangle AMP is congruent with triangle AMQ using SAS congruence criteria. That is side, angle, side congruence criteria. Clear now?
So in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle B is equal to 40 degree, and angle C is equal to 110 degree. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 30 degree, angle Q is equal to 40 degree, and angle R is equal to 110 degree. A student says that triangle ABC equal to triangle
Congruent to. Congruent. ABC is congruent to, not equal to.
by AAA congruent criterion.
Criteria, it's criteria. Congruence criteria.
Congress criteria is it justified? Why or not? Why or why not?
Yes, as you have learned already that there is no AAA congruence criteria. We have learned only 4 congruence criteria like that. RHS, SSS, SAS and ASA. These 4 congruence criteria we have learned already. So there is no such AAA congruence criteria. And there is, and according to the question, 3 angles are given. So it's not justified over here. So we can say that he is not justified here. And there is no AA congruence criteria. Clear? Arav, read the next one. Arav Sharma. Read the next question. Anadi, read the next question.
Yes, ma'am. In the figure, the two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are made. We can write a triangle RAT congruent.
Okay. So in this, you can see that. Okay, Arav Sharma. Yes, as you can see here, this is a symbol given here and this symbol is given here. So both are same. You can see with the help of symbols. So this side, that means AR side will be equal to WO side. Okay, according to the symbol. As you can see, this symbol here and this symbol here. So AT side will be equal to NO side. Anupriya, can you tell me any other side which is equal? Any other angle? You are not audible, Anupriya.
Ma'am, now I am audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Ma'am, ATR side is equal to WON.
ATR side. See,
Ma'am,
this
sorry,
is
WNO. WNO.
okay. So this side, see, this side resembles with 3 lines. As you can see here, symbol here, 3 lines are
Yes.
resembled where here also this 3 signs are there. So that means angle T will be equal to angle N. Okay, you have to identify with the help of symbols. See the mark over here, angle R.
Ma'am, angle R and angle W is
Very
also.
good, Anupriya. Angle R will be equal to angle W here. And any other?
Ma'am, angle A. Angle
Angle-
A is equal to angle O.
Very good. Angle A will be equal to angle O. So these two sides are equal, AR and WO, AT and NO sides are equal. And according to the angles, if you see, angle R will be equivalent to angle W, angle A will be equivalent to angle O, and angle T will be equivalent to angle N here.
N.
So according to that, RAT triangle is congruent to triangle WON. Okay. According to the
Okay, ma'am.
triangle, RAT triangle will be congruent to triangle WON. Am I clear with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you're having any query, you can send the message in the chat box also. Mute yourself, Anupriya. Vyan, read the next question. Read the next question.
Yes, ma'am, I'm reading. Ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, I'm reading. Complete the congruent statement.
Yes. So there are two
Triangle.
figures which are given.
Yes. Triangle BCA congruent to which angle? Triangle and triangle QRS congruent to which angle?
So let's see the first diagram. First of all, everyone, just see the first diagram. So can you tell me which side is equal to which side? Vyan.
Which side is equal to which side?
In the first figure.
Yes. Ma'am, BTA is equal to BCA, sorry.
Yes, it's correct. So this is BTA. Just a second. BTA is just a second. BTA is equivalent to BCA. That's correct. And any other? Vyan? Unmuted, beta.
No, ma'am, not any other.
Yeah, not any other. Are you sure? No side is equal, no angle is equal.
Yes.
Just see the symbols, beta. Check the symbols. Same symbols. Can you see this symbol?
Yes.
And this one?
So
These both are same?
BTA is equal to?
It's not BTA. This is side. This is a symbol of side. That is BT side will be equal to BC side. Yes, Rajal, you are right. And any other symbol you can see here? See the diagram carefully, Vyan. Another things are also equal. Just check it carefully. Check it, beta. Not audible. Vyan, not audible, beta. Not audible. Yes, Sharvil, can you tell me any other side which is equal? Or any angle? No, Vyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other side which is equal?
Ma'am, CT is equal to PR.
CT is equal to PR. Beta, these two triangles in the first figure I'm asking. Already two triangles are already there, beta. See angle B in triangle
Ma'am,
TBA.
BA is common. Ma'am, BA
B is common. It's not common, beta. These are two triangles. First of all, just see it carefully. TBA and ABC. These two triangles are there. Okay. So angle TBA is equal to angle ABC. Sides are equivalent, not angles are common. Okay. TBA. See, two marks are given here. So TBA angle is equal to angle ABC. Clear, Sharvil?
Yes, ma'am.
And this sign you can see here. These two signs.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the which side is equal to which side? Yes, Dhavani, you're right. TA will be equivalent to AC here. Okay. TA will be equivalent to AC. And you can see this 90-degree symbol here. Angle A is having 90 degrees. So angle A is common here. BA side is common. So angle A will be equal to angle A. Okay. Angle A will be equal to angle A. Angle B will be equal to angle B here. Angle T is equal to angle C. So all the three angles are equal. And the sides are also equal. So this triangle TBA is congruent to triangle BAC.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear now? Yes, Dhavanya, tell me the next figure.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, PQ is equal to RS.
PQ side is equal to RS, right? Absolutely right. And
Ma'am, TQ is equal to QS.
yes, TQ is equal to QS, right?
And ma'am, angle TPQ is equal to QRS.
TPQ. That means this side. TPQ is equal to
QRS.
QRS. Absolutely right.
And ma'am, angle PTQ is equals to angle SQR.
SQR, right?
Ma'am, angle TQP is equal to RSQ.
Angle TQP is equal to angle RSQ. Absolutely right. Any other?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, side Q and R is equal to side P and T.
Side PT is equal to side QR. Yes, these all are equal here. Very good, Lavanya. So all the things are equal here. All the three angles are equal in triangle PTQ and QSR. All the three sides are equal. PT, TQ and PQ are equal to QR, RS and QS. So all the three sides and all the three angles are equal. That means PTQ is congruent to triangle QRS. That's correct.
Ma'am, congruent means equal.
Congruence
Ma'am, is
means
right.
both the triangles, all the angles and side are same. That means they both are equal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.